Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change the color of notes in Instagram. So if you want something like this, then I'm going to show you how. Let's find out if it's not available in a country, what would be the best thing to do. Now first, what you're going to do is you just have to open your Instagram. Now, in order for you to get this color for notes on Instagram, you must have enter some keywords here in order for you to get this color notes. So basically, I'm going to show you the some keywords to get that colorful notes here. So in order to share a note, you have to tap this note right here, tap this one. And if you want to have a color pink notes, or if you want your notes to turn to color pink, then you should add some keywords such as demure, mindful, and considerate. You can also go to Google and search for keywords that can turn your notes into color pink. So all you have to do is to wait for that for your notes to turn into color pink. Now, if you want your notes to later turn into color blue, you have to add this keyword like Sabrina, taste, and also espresso. You can also go to Google and then search for any keywords that can turn your notes into color blue. Now for color gold, which is our tutorial, all you have to do is to add the word or the keyword gold after you have typed something. So you can also add keywords like Olympics, something like that, or you can also add emojis that has color gold. For example, welcome and then gold. Then later, it will turn your notes into color gold. But as you can see, it's not yet available in my country and you can't see anything or any changes. So in case that you encounter like this, the first thing you should do is you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Instagram application. Most of the cases, the reason why you cannot have this feature is because you're using the old features or old version of Instagram. Another thing is that you can go to Google web browser and then search if this colorful notes is now available in your country, because same in my country, it's not yet available. So if I'm going to type here change color notes Instagram available countries, and if I can see my country right here, then all I have to do is to wait till this changing of color notes will be available in my country. So again, update to Instagram to avail or unlock this feature, or search in Google if it's available in your country or not. If not, then all you have to do is to wait. And if it's available, all you have to do is to follow the instructions and methods that I've showed you earlier. Thank you so much for watching. If you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, and see you again in our next video tutorials.